Hi there, my name is Alice, and today we're going to talk about indoors, outdoors, inside and outside, and how to use them. Let's start. Outdoors and indoors. We use outdoors and indoors when we're talking about our physical location related to a building. Outdoors means the same as outside. But when we use outdoors, we mean the space. We're not talking about a particular or certain building. For example, I love to spend time outdoors. In this case, outdoors can mean in nature or in the open air. Indoors. Indoors means inside of something. But here again, we're not talking about any particular building. And we can't say we are indoors of something. For example, it was raining outside, that's why kids spend the whole morning playing indoors. Obviously, here when we use indoors, we're referring inside the house or inside the room, inside the building. We normally use outdoors and indoors after a verb. For example, let's go outside, the rain has stopped. Or for example, the concert will be indoors. Here, indoors refers to a building, but we don't know what kind of building. Outside and inside. Outside has the same meaning as outdoors. And it can replace the word outdoors. For example, we can say, let's go outdoors, the rain has stopped, or we can say, let's go outside, the rain has stopped. Inside has a similar meaning to indoors, and it can replace the word indoors in order to specify the place. For example, inside the house or inside the shop. We cannot use indoors or outdoors followed by the place we're referring to. We can't say indoors my house or outdoors the shop. It sounds quite strange. So meanwhile, outdoors and indoors are used to give information about our physical location related to a building. Outside and inside can be used to talk about other objects. So if we want to mention or clarify a particular object or a place, in this case, we can only use outside or inside. For example, outside the house, outside the building, outside the bank, inside the box, inside the bag. Let's have a look at some examples. For example, you left your purse outside the bag. So in this sentence, there is no way we can use outdoors. It will sound really strange. You can't say you left your purse outdoors the bag. No, we can only use here a word outside. Next example. I forgot the key inside the car. Again, we can't say I forgot the key indoors the car. Although it's a place, enclosed place, but it sounds really strange here. No, we can't use it here. So we only use inside in this sentence. I forgot the key inside my car. The other difference between indoors, outdoors, inside, and outside, that outside and inside can be used as a noun. So in this case, they are used with a definite article, the. For example, look at this house. The outside of it looks quite shabby. However, the inside of it is absolutely beautiful. I hope you found this video useful for you. For more videos, follow my channel. Bye bye for now.